What's up mga kabady? This is your boy Lighter. Himuna ko maroon ang 30-mile challenge. For 5 days, magaganda ako mga 6 months a day. And moro to, pero I hope that you guys will stay until the end and enjoy. Peace out and let's start. So what's up mga kabady? So we're going for a morning run. It's 4:55 in the morning.
Meanwhile,
Five mile na. Mga talikod sa top. Dito ako sa plaza. So, yun na nga. Been running for like 26 minutes na. For over 2.4 miles. So, tatang muna na tayo sa hill. Doon ka ng hill. 3.2 miles run na. So, talagay na ako na extra kasi di pa pauwi ko. I'm just walking. So, para dun sa mga tulog ko, parang may nakatakbo na kayo. Kung nakatanga-tanga dyan. So, yun na nga guys. Mga buddy, see you again this afternoon for another 3-mile run. Nice.
one eternity later.
Ito nga, yun na nga, kaninang umaga. 3-mile run na tayo. So, ngayon naman, so, parang daily siya, 6 miles. Pero in 5 days, nakompleto natin yung 30 miles. Okay. So, let's go. So, you're like 0.74 mile pa lang. Miles, 2.5 miles na. Gamay lang. Bakit na tayo ngayon? So yun na nga no, kakatapos lang. Pwede a 3-mile run. So yun nga. First day of 6-mile run, finished. Bye.
So, dito na gani, no? 8 a.m. in the morning, daganta kay dugay-dugay ta nakamata tungod sa pamaol. I have a cramps on my calves. Bagtak.
1 hour later.
Mao na to, nakaabot na diri sa atong ginajaggingan. Pero bago ta magsugod, warm up sa ta para iwas pamaol ba. Diring dapitan ng challenge sa jud ta, no? Ang kwarto ba, blur kayo. Higda ni mo, mura kag nasa langit.
Later.
We're back again, mga kabady. It's 4:45 in the afternoon. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay mag-jogging na naman. So, let's go. We are now 0.41 mile with my buddy. Ito po siya ay marathon runner. Tara, marathon runner. Yun guys, 2.4 na tayo. So yun na nga mga kabady, no? We just finished 3 miles. So another run tomorrow. So see you. Bye. So we're getting up, guys. It's 2:23 in the afternoon and the sky is still dark, but we're still going for a run. See you when we complete the 3 mile and see you again later when we complete another 3 mile.
1 hour later.
So we already started running. So yun nga. We've been running for like 0.51 1 mile lang. Ito nyo guys, mga buddy. Masali ba ang daan? So tara, may checkpoint. Two miles. So what's up mga buddy? Kakawin lang natin. We did like 3.2 miles. Medyo hina yung dagan kay sa taon ng likod mo sa ng traffic hours. Pero still managed to finish it. So see you this afternoon na naman. See you. Bye. Here we go again guys. It's 4:39 in the afternoon and we're going for our last jog this day. So I hope that it's not gonna rain. And let's go in the Memorial Park. See you there. Miles. A few more to go. Bakit tayo ngayon? Yes, we are at the Memorial Park.
Here we had a few stretching because we had a cramp on our side.
Skip na kayo this day. So see you when I finish. Peace. Yun na nga, tapos na natin ang day 3. 3 mile run this afternoon. Finished. Kapoy no, pero dayon lang. Maulan to karon nga adlaw, so tapos na dyan na to ang day 3. And day 4 is coming up tomorrow. Stay tuned na lang and permission to leave. Bye. What's up mga kabady? It's day 4 of running, so it's 2:30 in the afternoon and we'll go for our first run. See you there. .26 2 miles. Traffic.
Di malas pa tano, napaslot atong tail og nabuslot ng medyas, kalaina.
Just get back to copy kayo. Wala ka nag-record ako paulit kay ang just in the slope. Tapos ang lalan kay gamay kay narrow. And there are so many reasons na wala ko dati. Behind 0.3 meters. 0.3 meters na dagat kay. Yes. Ito mo just nabuslot. Ayan, tumatang PL kapasuko. Yeah, what should so let's for our first run from day 4. See you this afternoon again for another run. What's up mga buddy? It's 4:30 in the afternoon and this is our last run sa karong adlaw. No, di ba? Marathon run. So, let's go. 1.5 miles. 2.77 miles. 2.77 miles.
Here my voice is quite unclear, but what I'm trying to say is that we've been running for 2.77 miles. That's all.
Meanwhile,
There we go mga kabady, we just finished day 4 of 6 mile run. Tomorrow is the last day and thank you for staying up to until day 4 and that's all. See you again tomorrow. Permission to leave. Bye. What's up mga kapade? This is the 5th day, last day na of our 6-mile run. And it's scorching hot to. Tasty Jud. Tadi tama kuya pa nun niya. Pero laban lang. Fighting. Tara na, let's go! Init. Let's go. Just for the information of everyone, it's 40 degrees here. So, close ano. Yes. 240 miles. Stay going. Tayo sa update. Ito. Balik. 4.5 miles. Sorry pa na. Balik ko. Sorry pa na. Sorry. 5 miles.
1 hour later.
There we go guys. We just finished 6 miles in 1 run. Medyo challenging dyan siya no kay kapoy dyan kayo. Init pa dyan kayo mura siya. It's like 40 degrees ganina. Alas 3 o 3 p.m. in the afternoon. 3 p.m. ganit. Pero yun nga. Pero nagsecure dito sa mga pagandaan. So mga kaslot na. Ang pipang. Mga buang dyan ganina. Dito kayo na ako sa nilo na. Pero dito sa fun. Yun na nga. Matapos natin yung journey and challenge. So, if you have any recommendation, just comment down below kung sarap yung challenges. Kung saan itong pinakadagan, like makunin mo na ito maybe next 2 weeks or next month na po yun. May kapoy na kayo pero para hindi pa itong pundagan. Kaya daga medyo siya reason. Kaya jogging medyo ko pero it was fun nga kanina challenge. Mas na further na po na explore ang capabilities na po. I hope that you enjoyed and we'll stay until the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. So, that's all guys. Permission to leave. Bye.